Hi guys, welcome back to my channel unlimitedwebs. Are you thinking of starting a hosting business? Then visit your site unlimitedwebs.com. We are providing very cheap and best service. You can start your business by buying reseller hosting. Reseller, master reseller, alpha reseller, all plans are available on your website. You can buy all the plans, monthly plan, yearly plan, lifetime plan, whatever type of plan you want. If you buy yearly plan, then we offer a very cheap price. But the monthly plan, and do a test and see if you are okay, then you can buy the yearly plan. No matter which plan you buy, we support you 24 hours a day. The true direct WhatsApp support. If you buy your another website, you will know how to support this. We are doing very genuine business at own server. Check the website once, and if you like it, buy your hosting and use it. Reseller hosting plan starting 199 40 cpanel account. Reseller hosting 949 plan, unlimited cpanel account, unlimited storage, 24/7 support, daily backup support. So you see all options. It will be very helpful for you do business at very cheap price. If you like this video, share your friends and like it, and watch this next video. Thanks for watching.